Judy Science YouTube channel. Whether working in kitchen, at the workshop, at the office, or any construction site, the significance of safety measures toward our health and well-being should not be disparaged in order to prevent cases of emergency. Therefore, we need to pay attention to these safety measures often overlooked. When unplugging a plug from a socket, do you make use of your two hands? That's wrong. Why? When the opposite hands come in contact with the prongs, current may flow through your arm to the body, which is dangerous. You should rather switch off the socket and then unplug with just one end, so even with an electric current present, it follows the path leading to both fingers via your hand. Yeah, that's far better. Friction provides an opposing force to the direction of motion that prevents us from falling when walking and even sliding. But without sufficient frictional force, objects come falling, and this may be caused by substances like water, which reduces friction. You don't want to experience the pain, do you? To avoid this, you should place objects on rough surfaces to increase frictional forces by interlocking. You can as well make use of rubber coverings to reduce slipping of objects. Heat from hot steam penetrates the underlying skin layer faster and deeper than with dry heat, thus making skin burns caused by water vapor particularly malicious. So do not make use of your bare hand while releasing steam from a cooking pot. Hey, you shouldn't do that. You can put on gloves to prevent the water vapor from hitting your skin to inflict burns on your skin. This can be quite painful. Fire has so many important functions it performs daily, but if not properly controlled, can result in dangerous explosions. For a fire to keep burning, it requires oxygen, heat, and fuel. The classes of fire includes the Class A fire, which involves solid materials like wood, paper, plastic, or even clothing, and can be easily extinguished using water or foam-based extinguishers. While the Class B fire involves liquid and gases such as propane. The Class C fire involves electrical appliances, and this fire should not be put out by a foam-based extinguisher as they can be potentially fatal. The Class D fire involves metals and can be put out using dry powder extinguishers. The Class K fire, also known as the Class F fire, involves cooking oil and fats. So if you don't have the correct extinguisher, you should call the firefighters as soon as possible. Bleach. Bleach is commonly used industrially and domestically in cleaning. Oftentimes, this agent is mixed improperly with other cleaning agents, and this is capable of releasing toxic chlorine fumes similar to other chemical reactions. It is pertinent then to avoid mixing bleach with other cleaning agents to prevent inhalation of the toxic fumes, which could lead to loss of consciousness and possible death. So when you intend to use bleach for cleaning, do not mix it with cleaning agents like vinegar. You should instead use these cleaning agents separately. So whether it has to do with unplugging, applying frictional forces, or putting out a fire, safety should be paramount always. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you are new to our channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video to save a life. And remember to stay on the fast lane.